Should I buy or sell Helbiz? The report for Helbiz was first published on our website Tuesday, January 24, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 20, 2023, our system ranks Helbiz as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 101.28% since we first told you to buy Helbiz 3 days ago. This is an average return of 33.76% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Helbiz, our last headline reads, High volatility in Helbiz Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $0.410. The Helbiz Incorporated stock price fell by -3.76% on the last day, Tuesday, January 24, 2023, from $0.426 to $0.410. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 50.05% from a day low at $0.369 to a day high of $0.554. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 210.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -237 million shares and in total, 424 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $173.95 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.42, and the lowest price was $0.111. The stock now the price is 90.72% trend in the short term, and this may normally below 52 selling high to 99.02% reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. Below all-time high September 21, 2021, where the price hit $41 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -17.58% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -82.12% and -14.66%. The 12-month trend indicates a -89.30% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and -89.24%. This equals a price between $0 and $0.0441 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Helbiz stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been found for Helbiz. The Helbiz Incorporated stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $0.224 and $0.174. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 23, 2023, and so far it has fallen -3.76%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 204 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, by signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. By signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see. Short moving average, by signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, by signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. By signal 107 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Helbiz. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.315. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.185 between high and low, or 50.05%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 56.34%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Helbiz. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Helbiz currently has a price-earning ratio of -0.0711. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Helbiz meets first resistance at $0.426. If you do not hold Helbiz shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Helbiz finds first level of support at $0.315, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Helbiz is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 3, 2023, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 650,000 of Class A common stock. On December 29, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 1,568,249 of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 4,019,293 of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 155,530 of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2022, Profumo Giulio made an inside buy of 51,498 of Class A common stock. Based on the 48 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 95.594. In total, the insiders bought 14,983,393 and sold 803,213 shares in the last 48 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $0.390, minus 4.77%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 83, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Helbiz stock a buy? Helbiz Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 25th, we expect Helbiz to open up $0.0344 and start trading at $0.444. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to